So how effective is Autoglym Super Resin Polish on a dark vehicle regarding to making the overall look and appearance, also to remove swirl marks? Let's find out. So I'm just going to apply some Super Resin Polish using a Autoglym high-tech polishing applicator pad. Put a little bit more on as it's a new pad. Okay, just going to let that haze off. Back in a moment. I'm just going to buff that off. Right, let's remove the tape. Right, it's going to get me light. Just move the camera around, give you a bit of a better angle. Put the light on. This car is quite clean, admittedly. You can see the difference to there. There you can see the distinctive line. I hope it's picking up on camera. So you can see it's still quite swirly a little bit there, and if I come over it's a lot more clearer to there. Can you see the difference, how the light is it's a bit more clearer there than it is there. There we go, so it makes quite a big difference. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next upload. Ta-da for now.